The today topic is Foundry tools. Major process in Foundry work. Here are neatly organized explanations of the Foundry process and tools based on their applications. The first one, the major process in Foundry works. The first one is a pattern making. A pattern is the replica of objects to be cast. It is used to make a mold cavity. Making tools, scribers, caliber, tri-square, cutting tools, saw, chisels, files. These are the pattern making tools. Next one is a molding. The process of preparing a mold cavity using in the sand and a pattern. Generally, these tools are used for mixing and handling the sand with proper ratios. Next one is a riddle. To remove the foreign particles from the sand and convert it to fine sand. Next one is a mallet. Gently tap and loosen pattern. Next one is a lifter. Remove the loose sand from the cavity. Next one is a troll and slick. To make vents for gases, pure rod. To create a vertical channel for pouring. Next one is a core making process. The core are sand shapes placed inside the mold to form internal cavity in the castings. The tool and equipments core box to make a course in specific shapes. Core rammer, a compact sand in the core box. Core vent rod. Core vent rod generally allow the gas escape in the core. Core baking oven to harden the core. Next one is a melting. Heating the melt metal to its liquid form using the furnace. No hand tools, use cupola, inductions or electric or furnace. Next one is a pouring, translating the molten metal into the molten cavity. Generally the tools are used in a ladle. The first one is a ladle. Ladle for holding and pouring the molten metal. Crucible tongue for handling crucibles. Action is of finishing. Remove the excess metal, cleaning and preparing for the final product. Generally tools used chisels and hammer for knocking off raising the gates. Wire brush for a surface cleaning purpose. The grinder for removing the unwanted or hazardous materials in the product after completing the casting process. Should blasting machines for removing the sand and surface finishing. Next one is inspection and measuring, ensuring dimensional accuracy and surface quality. Measuring tools, vernier caliper, micrometer, surface plate, height gauge, etc. These are the foundry tools mostly frequently used in foundry areas to making a good product.